What are your thoughts on the recent movements of the dollar index?
The dollar is at a very, very tricky juncture right now. Part of it is sort of, in many ways, the lack of the classic reaction to the flight to safety trade. A lot of times the dollar has been viewed as the haven, but I think because the U.S. is embroiled more in events in Asia than the euro is picking up a lot of the flight to safety type of trade. When you look at it now, the dollar is really, if you look, let's say, at UUP as a proxy or DXY, these are at some important levels, whether we're going to break through some old support or not. And if it breaks through, the dollar can actually get materially weaker. I think on the flip side, though, it's become a very crowded trade. Everybody's talking about it. I think a lot of positioning has moved, let's say, toward long euro, short U.S. And you also see it conversely in gold and the new anti-dollar of Bitcoin, where you're seeing both of them moving higher. Bitcoin to flirting with new all-time highs, and gold certainly attempting to break out of a trading range, which in many ways is the inverse of what I was saying about the dollar finding a level on support. Well, the support for the dollar would be resistance for gold. So the problem I have, though, is when these trades get very crowded, they often have a way of not working out the way you think. But as of now, the trend is your friend, and so I would say that the dollar and other dollar-related plays, such as gold, become very. They're more risky than they might normally be. There's a bit more volatility that can be expected, and I think it's prudent to avoid being on the wrong side of any breakout or reversal that could occur at these levels.